Hi, welcome back to another example of AI custom agents use cases. Today I want to show you a very exciting and practical use cases on using AI to read applicants' resume and automatically transform it into the Notion database. So first one is you're going to submit a form. So this can be done by the HR or the applicants. So I'm going to call this Homer Simpson's. So we can leave out the role, upload the resume. So I have a fake resume of Homer Simpson. Click submit. So you can see the custom agent ran. This is a history log, which usually take around 3 to 4 minutes. And there you have it. You can see that it captures the data from the PDF and then populates for you based on experience, education, skills, notes. So far I have better experience by using PDF, which I doubt anyone will put image, but it's definitely possible to read images as well. And in case you're asking what sorcery is this, Thomas, how can you make this custom agent to run? It must be very expensive and very difficult. So for now, this is still in beta, but it's honestly just a few clicks away to create this. So the idea is that you can create it inside Notion. So just based on the triggers, you want to receive through email, you want to receive through form, and then you give it instructions. So basically these instructions, if I just expand it, it's essentially just a Notion page. They write down the instructions to guide it on what the custom agent should do. So if you're interested in more AI use cases, you can go through the playlist here.